Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be talking about the top 5 advantages about the Realme X7 Pro device. So a few of the advantages I'll be comparing to the previous version of the Realme X2 Pro as well. But in this video, I'll be discussing only about the top 5 advantages, and in another video I'll talk about what are the disadvantages of this Realme X7 Pro as well. And this is a phone which I'm using for the past couple of days and which has a Dimensity 1000 plus processor, you can see here. And this is the first time me trying this Dimensity 1000 plus processor in my studio. And in this video I'll try to include all my experience as well, and that's why I did list out the points as 5 most advantageous features in the Realme X7 Pro. So let's get started friends without wasting any time. And in case if you want to know further details about the Realme X7 Pro device, so more battery, camera and vibration, haptic feedback, notification light, expandable memory, slim card slot, all of those videos I did upload in one single playlist. You can find the playlist, links will be available in the description. In case if you are interested, try to check the playlist and you will get complete idea about the phone before you are buying the device. And the first major advantage of this Realme X7 Pro is that having the 120Hz refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate. So this is my main advantage of this Realme X7 Pro. So when I'm coming back from the Realme X2 Pro, so this is my previous phone, Realme X2 Pro, I did feel a lot of difference in this mobile phone. So 120Hz will give you very smooth experience than the 90Hz. So as a future proof option, this is a very good deal, 120Hz plus 240Hz touch sampling rate. So overall this is my first advantage of this mobile phone, the Realme X7 Pro. And display is of same kind of display, Super AMOLED, so there is nothing much difference, but refresh rate has been upgraded. So this is a one plus point for this mobile phone. So next thing what I like about this phone is that having the very less weight. The phone weight is only 184 grams friends, which is very less when you compare with the previous model. So previous Realme X2 Pro is close to 199 grams I think. So even though the phone has very less battery, 4000 mAh of battery, but still more weight. But the Realme X7 Pro, I'm not sure how they managed. They did very good thing. They increased the battery and the weight is also decreased. It's only 184. And during my usage of this phone for the past few days, so not even a single time I felt tired of holding the phone continuous, even while continuously talking on the call or texting or playing the games. So seriously, this less weight has been lot useful for me. Unless you hold the mobile phone, you won't feel the advantage of this one. So that's why I listed this less weight as a second priority for me. And next is that having the better battery as well. The 4500 mAh of capacity, when you compare to the previous model Realme X2 Pro of 4000, it's seriously upgraded. So which is also a very good thing. And by this 500 mAh you won't get more and more battery, but at least you might be able to get 1 hour screen on time more than the before. So this is a little bit difference, but the charging is another advantage. 65 watt fast charging when you compare with the 50 watts, 65 watt fast charging. And because of the bigger battery, the phone does take more time than the Realme X2 Pro. So this is another fourth advantage. So having the fast charging, so 120Hz refresh rate, less weight, and the more battery, 4500 mAh of battery, and having the fast charging, 65 watt fast charging. And final thing is that having the very less bezels and having a very good dual stereo speaker setup. So even the previous model, the Realme X2 Pro, has same kind of dual stereo speaker setup, but one thing is that the bezels are very too thick in all the four corners. But in the Realme X7 Pro, I can feel the bezels are very close in all the directions. Even in the top bezels and bottom bezels, side bezels are same ratio. You will feel very good uniform way of this kind of build quality. So which is another good advantage. Yeah. So till now I did speak only about the advantages, but in another video I'll try to include what are the disadvantages you need to know before buying this Realme X7 Pro. So make sure to watch that video. In case if you're planning to buy, you should know for every phone advantage and disadvantage as well. So that's why I'll try to do both videos separately, so it will be easily clarifying for most of the users. And thank you for watching this video friends, and in case if you like, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Until then, bye.